if you find yourself with a camera in your hand and you want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment down below what you would like to learn more about. Hi Photos subscribers. Today we're talking about how to get a client. It's a little bit ambiguous of a question because getting clients in different industries don't have to be greatly different, but their approach is different. Some just expect being approached with images like paparazzi or photojournalism. If you don't have a contract within photojournalism, then it's a little bit hard sometimes to break into that industry. Paparazzi is a lot more of a purchase per image kind of thing. So, but let's couch this within a subject such as advertising for portraiture. Going to somebody and asking to take their portrait is a little bit hard to then charge for the portrait because you specifically initiated the transaction. Don't feel like you won't get anything out of that relationship, but do start out the relationship by giving something to them first. Don't make them feel like they are the one giving to you, because that's as I've recently listened to in an audiobook, you consider relations like a bank account. You can't withdraw something from that account if you haven't put anything in it. So another way that I heard it put in the same book is kill them with kindness, is give something to them at first. Suggest that you do some portrait shoot for them, and it's a donation from you to them. It's if you know something about them, it could be a gift for their anniversary or their birthday or some other special occasion. But make sure it comes out not solely benefiting you. Otherwise, it's going to seem like they're giving something to you. Think about them and give it to them, or do something for them that is something they like, something they enjoy, something that they seek to have. Find a way to do something kind for them. If you have the option of being able to source something that they want to collect, then find some way to add to their collection, something that they don't have or they've been looking for. Sometimes it may not be possible to add something to that kind of collection because it's a little bit of expense to go to, more than you might have to buy something of a collection. But that is one very good way to start out a relationship. Once you've started a relationship and you just continue giving to that person, then asking for referral of your service to their friends or whatever is a very good thing. Now, if you do things for them well enough and they like what you've done for them, then they'll naturally talk about your products to their friends, or they'll like it enough that they'll display it in their home and they have friends over. It'll be a talking point. But that's kind of the whole point, is you want to get your work out there in portraiture enough that people see it and talk about it. You're going to want to find where your customers are and get your stuff out there so that it starts to be a discussion point. If you don't know where your customers are, then you need to figure out who your ideal client is. And when you figure out who your ideal client is, that'll help you figure out where they congregate, where they meet, and where they discuss things, where they do their shopping, and that's where you're going to put your advertising. So that's basically the if you want to think of photography as a religion, that's your theology of advertising. That's the theory of advertising. That is, whoops, sorry for shaking the camera there. That's really, when you talk about marketing, that's what almost any marketing individual knows, is you want to get your name, your product, what you do, and how it meets the need of that person out where they are everywhere in every day of their life. It is not as easy as it sounds to some people. Other people, it's as natural as breathing. So we can have some more discussion later if that's of interest to you. If you are not having difficulty finding clients, then maybe your issue is retaining clients. Then I would suggest you work on the quality of your product and how you deliver and client interaction. That's going to be some very big keys to the retention of clients and customers, is whether they had a great experience with you or not. So thank you so much for watching. If this content has added value to your photography and your journey as a photographer, please click like and leave comments if it's helped you, and what you might want to see in future content. And if it has added that kind of content and has built trust between us, we would appreciate your subscription. Thank you so much. Y'all have a blessed day.